How to use coupons on Shein app. What's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily enter coupon codes or use the in-app coupons on your Shein app. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let's begin. So the very first thing that you want to do is make sure that your Shein app is up to date and then open the app. From here, make sure that you are logged into your account. So once you are logged in, all you have to do is add any items to your cart. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on this bag section right here. That is my cart. So from here, all you have to do is add a few items to your cart. So I'm just going to do that right here. And once you do that, your cart will show up right here. So here, all you have to do is tap on your cart and then tap on checkout. So once you tap on checkout, first thing that you have to do is enter your shipping address on top and then choose the item. And after that, you will have payment methods. So here is PayPal, credit, debit, Cash App, and Venmo. You can also have Google Play if that is available on your region. And finally, here you will have app vouchers. Just tap on it. And if you have any codes, you can just enter the coupon code right here and apply. So if the code is valid, it will automatically be applied to your product. And from here, if you have any in-app cards like these ones, you can just use those as well. And finally, you can tap on continue to proceed with your checkout. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next video.